Yeah, hi and welcome to today's video. We are going to be talking cold traffic. We're going to be answering the question, what is cold traffic in internet marketing? So when you talk about traffic, you talk about three different types of traffic: cold traffic, warm traffic, or hot traffic. So we're going to cover cold traffic today, and we're going to also give you 7 different ways where you can actually start to get cold traffic for your business. Okay, so without further ado, let's crack on and explain what cold traffic is, and also go through those 7 different ways to get cold traffic. Okay, so before we actually go over and talk about those 7 different ways that you can actually generate cold traffic, let's just tell you a little bit about what is cold traffic. Now, cold traffic is basically visitors that come to your content, to your website, to your YouTube channel, anything like that, that you don't actually know currently. So they are brand new visitors that come and then stumble or search for your content, come and then view your content. So they are cold traffic. Okay, so you don't know them, you haven't built a rapport with them, and you certainly haven't got them on any email lists or anything like that. So they are totally cold to you. Now, cold traffic is obviously very difficult to transfer into buyers because they don't know, like, and trust you. And that's what you've got to do. You've got to know, build up that relationship before they will actually purchase probably from you. So the thing you don't want to do is send cold traffic is to offers, to your products, to your services, not directly. It's very, very unlikely that those people will actually go and buy and purchase from you. They want to know a little bit more about you, whether you're trustworthy, etc. I'm going to show you next 7 different ways that you can actually go and start using cold traffic to build your business. Okay, so we've come across to the desktop, and I'm just going to run through 7 different ways that you can actually start building cold traffic and getting it into your business. And these are in no particular order, and some of them will work better than others for you. And what I would recommend on this is find out where your actual customer, your ideal customer, is located, and then obviously concentrate on that particular platform. And once you've mastered that platform, then obviously integrate other platforms too. Yes, you can have an account on all these platforms, but I would concentrate just on one, get that up and working, make sure you're actually pulling people into your business, and then move on to maybe a second or third one at a later date. But the first one is doing mega well with short videos, and that is TikTok. Now, it's not just for the youngsters, guys. You can run your business from TikTok as well. And you can obviously get people, demographic is the teenagers, early 20s, people that you're after to get people into your business. So this could be a great way to obviously use TikTok to get people into as cold traffic. Now, the second one is another one that is fairly new, obviously Instagram as well, and I'd certainly look at doing maybe Instagram Reels, something like that, obviously posting images as well, but the Reels tend to work better, get a better reach, so make sure you could obviously check out Instagram as well. And again, look and see who's on there, who your influencers are on there. And I do loads of videos. I'm going to be doing loads of videos about Instagram marketing, and I've got one that shows you how you can actually go and set up your business account on Instagram, and you can check that out on the link above. Certainly have a look at Instagram. Now, what you could also do is you could create your own website or your own blog. Now, depending what sort of business you're in, then obviously this could be a good way of obviously driving people to your website. So you could do blog posts. You could obviously just have a standalone web page which you could drive people to. So again, that is a good way to obviously do that. Now, web design and creating web pages these days is so simple. It really is. But if you didn't want to go and create your own, you could also use a blogging platform such as Medium. Okay, now this does everything for you, and because it's such a massive platform, you can get really high. Get your content really high in the search engines, and have some free organic traffic coming to it just from that. And again, you can direct people from your blog to various other places as well. Now, if you're more into business to business people, then LinkedIn. Don't rule out LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a fantastic platform again that you could obviously use and utilize and build up those rapports, certainly from cold traffic. And as long as you make sure you set up your profile correctly, you will have people actually, you will be attracting people on a daily basis to you. I'm going to be doing some videos about LinkedIn marketing, etc. So make sure you obviously subscribe to the channel here to get hold of those. But again, LinkedIn, a great way to actually go and get some cold traffic. Now, another one is obviously Facebook. Now, you could have a business page on Facebook, but I would recommend obviously having that page, but then interacting on groups, okay? Now, give good content, go and answer questions, that sort of thing, and you can build up a great following from people that don't actually know you. Which is what I do. I've got my own group on my Make Money Online, which is what my other YouTube channel is all about. So if you haven't checked that out, then make sure you check that out and subscribe to that too. But as you can see here, I've got a public group of over 33,000 members, and I've got people joining or wanting to join every single day. As you can see, I've got 115 requests here. That people actually want to go and join. So they are cold traffic that I can then obviously warm up and get into my business. Now the last one, and like I said, is we're in no particular order, and this is YouTube. Okay, now YouTube again, being video is phenomenal at the moment. That's why TikTok's so good. That's why Instagram Reels are working. Even Facebook Lives you could do as well. So certainly look at doing a video, and of course you don't have to be on camera when you do video. You could just share your screen similar to what I'm doing now and don't have to be actually on camera. Or you could actually get other people to be on camera, or you could get people to produce the videos themselves and just obviously upload them. So there's loads of different things you can do with YouTube. You don't have to be on camera. But again, it works really, really well for people to find you, and then you can get in front of lots and lots of cold traffic, guys. And that's what this video is all about. It's all about getting people cold traffic into your business, seeing your business, and then building that rapport with them to obviously get them to obviously come into your business and start purchasing your products and services. And let me know in the comments below platforms you're going to be using to obviously go and get your cold traffic. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make new videos. That's it for today. We're going to be seeing you on the next video.